Hey brewers, it's Friday again, and we're gonna try again with this Cooper's Hazy. I liked the flavor last time. After the second round of dry hops, I just didn't like the color. Like, it looked very West Coast, and like a West Coast hazy just kind of looks like what they call unfiltered, which is just like kind of a polite way to say lazy. We wanted a lot more golden color. Hopefully we're gonna be able to get this time. Instead of last time we did 2 Hefes and a bootmaker, which definitely has some crystal malt in it. That got us that orange. So this time we're gonna try 2 86 Days Pilsner and 1 Preacher's Wife Hefe wheat. These are our fresh cans. These are our preheated cans. They're nice and warm. I also overflowed the sink while I was filling that. We got the Firmzilla all-rounder this time instead of the conical. We also have 2 full batteries for the drill. We also remembered to put the dip tube on this time. So already massive improvement. So we're gonna dump these suckers in, stir it up, same as last time. And this time though, I'm gonna do the first round of dry hop right in with the yeast. What? Yes. And then we'll do the second round of dry hop through the old hop bong. Man, I love this thing. It is absolutely fantastic accessory for anyone who wants to make hop forward beer. So let's crack this open. Put that in our sanitized pail just to wait for us, see if it stays standing there. I doubt it will. Okay, let's open these suckers up, Kevin. My lovely assistant, Kevin, once again. Boom, boom, boom. And what do we do with the Cooper's yeast? You know what we do with the Cooper's yeast. Gonna use that Verdant, baby. Another good option, 1318. Y yeast, London. 1318 London Ale. All right, let's sanitize that first. So sanitize these. See, we're always learning. We're always learning. When you stop learning, you're getting dumber. Then we're gonna celebrate with some nice ice cold Skulls Light, of course. Of course we will. What's the matter, Kevin? That dollar store, fucking thing not working out for you?
How to work a goddamn can opener.
All right, maybe let's just open them all, and then we can speed it. Next. Yeah, this is what we call an operation. Woo! Quick beer, it's gonna be quick, all right. All right, bam. We're gonna start with some water. Of course, I already star sand this fermenter in all the pieces. Yeah, we need a little bit more water than that to get going. And this time we're gonna do a 21 liter batch, so it fits nice and in my keg, and it'll bump up the ABV just a bit, which is always nice. All right, that should be enough to get us going. All right, let us go. All right, one down. Good thing I got Malt extract by itself actually tastes pretty good, but this has hops in it, so it's kind of like weird and bitter. All right, 2 down. You're leaking your stickiness on my drill.
Sorry.
All right, 3 down. Okay, now gonna top her up to 21 liters. Just to get a decent reading on this, I should make it straightish. Hold that for me for a second. Can't really see there, Kev. Can you tell me when? All right, I'll do just a tad more. All right. Okay, boom. Let's spin that around so you can see where we're at. Boom, 21 liters. Okay, and then I'm gonna stir it again. All right. Okay, we want to take that and go rinse her off. All right, so as you can see, we're already quite a bit lighter than before, and this is gonna lighten up as the fermentation eats the sugar. I feel like we're still gonna be a little darker than I wanted, but the problem with this pasteurized wort that's in these cans is as it sits and just the process of pasteurization on its own gives it a bit of darkness. So we're gonna get a little bit light, but I don't think we're gonna get that beautiful yellow orange juice looking thing, unfortunately. However, the flavor is good and you cannot beat how quick this happens. So, like I said, this time we're gonna just dump our first round of dry hops in. We've got, once again, Cryo Pop, Mosaic, and Citra. And then we're gonna put our Verdant yeast in there, seal it up, and like I say, we got the hop bong for the second round of dry hops. Not necessary, but I like to play with toys. Boys and their toys. I'm a boy. I'm a real boy. Okay. That was the Cryo Pop, and now the Cryo Citra. Possibly my favorite of all. I don't know. You got Citra, you got yourself a beer. Like, I'd stop brewing with it. It's like cheating. And then finally a little sprinkly of the Verdant. And then we're gonna give this a spritz before we put it back on. And that's it. How long did that take? Was that 5 minutes? I don't even know if it was. Like, yeah, you know, it's a $90 IPA, but that still works out to only $2 a pint. And it took you 5 minutes to make. So you tell me what's expensive. I think you're expensive. Kev, it's time for us to get f***ed up.
2 weeks later.
So we're back. A couple weeks later. We've got our Cooper's Hazy. Still not quite the color I'm after. Lighter than last time. I think I'm gonna nail it on version 3, but the nose. Check out that nose, Kevin.
Ooh. Oh yeah.
Like, nice and dank. That Citra Cryo, Mosaic Cryo. I mean, there's a million beers that have Citra Mosaic that are just delectable, which is why I chose these to try to spruce up our Cooper's kit. It's getting closer. The last one was like almost brown. So, you know, we're getting there. We're getting there. I think I know what I'm gonna do for version 3, and I hope you stick with me because, you know, 5-minute brew day is pretty awesome. So like every once in a while you want to throw together a 5-minute brew day, get a nice beer, what the f, right? Oh yeah. Bitterness, like as for a hazy, bitterness is maybe a touch high, but like, god damn, those hops are popping. There's none of that sort of metallic thing that we were getting last time. I think removing the bootmaker from that, you know.
Oh, that's a big improvement from the last one.
Indeed, right?
Yeah, there was a really fucking weird off flavor in that last one that kind of bugged me. And
Yeah, like when it was fresh, I was like, not so bad, but I've got it on tap in the studio at home, and like, it's kind of gone downhill. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know, it's maybe pasteurized wort is just one of those things. I mean, but Cooper's kits, they're huge, they're easy. I'm gonna keep going on this because let's face it, I'm gonna say probably half of the homebrewers out there, that's what they're doing. So let's work with it, baby. Work with me. Work with me now. I'm gonna have another sip though because, yeah. Like I'm not getting any chunks. Like, I mean, clarity, like, I mean, it's hazy, but there's no floaties. You know, like we got that going on. Like that's fucking dank as fuck, man. I'm into it. I mean, we'll see how it is 3 weeks from now. It's kind of been the test, but if you're having a party 2 weeks from now, you got no brew time because you got a kid or, you know, some other factors that are not allowing you, you know, your 5-6 hour brew day to craft that perfect hazy. This is pretty damn good for all of 10 minutes work. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna probably have some more, but not today because I gotta drive home. So stay hazy, my friends. We'll see you next Friday. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.